Hi there, Adrian here from Cademy, and today I'd like to show you how our new Zoom integration works. So if you want to do a class online and you want to use Zoom for that, we've added an integration to make the setup even easier than before. So to get started, we'll have to go into the app section of the Educator Admin Console, click on the Zoom card, and click on Install. Now, it will take me to Zoom, and if you're not logged in, you'll have to enter your login details to log in. I'm already logged into Zoom, so it just prompts me to authorize, and it takes me back and confirms that the app is now installed. Now, to use the Zoom integration on a course, let's just set up a new course to give you an example. So, example course for Zoom video. There you go, that's going to be the title of my course. I'll make it an online course, and now you have the online join link details, including a button to create a new Zoom link. Just click on that and we create a new Zoom meeting for you, and you can just go on setting up your course as you normally would. Add multiple dates, do whatever you need to set up your class, and let's just add in some basic details so I can finish setting up my course. Now, before I finish, I'd like to show you here another little detail here, and you'll notice that the default email already references the online join URL. So it'll already, if you're sticking with the default email, it'll send the join instructions, join link automatically. But if you use a custom email template, you can just pull in this mail mesh tag for the Zoom video call link, and that's going to replace it at the point when the email is sent with the joining instructions, with the join link from for this particular course. So if I just publish this course, you'll see that I have the link nice and handy here on my at the top of my course, so I can just copy that and send it over, or click it to immediately start the meeting. Or if I just open my Zoom client like this, under the meeting section in the upcoming, I should have a meeting with the name of the course. And that's pretty much it. We'd love to hear your feedback. We hope this helps you streamline some of your process. Thank you. Take care.